Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth Pro and loading satellite plus historical topographic layers so you can compare eras. Once done, enable grid, scale, and the measure tool and set elevation units to meters or feet. This helps with slope and distance checks. Then scan river bends, alluvial fans, old stream channels, and exposed bedrock because gold moves with water and concentrates in predictable places. Make sure to mark promising targets with place marks for detailed inspection next. Next, you perform a detailed terrain analysis using elevation profiles to find benches, riffles, and bedrock steps where heavier material accumulates. Then examine drainage confluences, inside bends, and rock obstructions because water slows there and gold drops out. Mark these as high priority. Also compare seasonal and historical imagery to reveal former channels, point bars, and flood scour zones that may be buried now. Once you have several candidate sites, prioritize by accessibility and legal status before planning a field visit. For final steps, export your place marks and print maps or save offline KML. Note GPS coordinates and access routes so you won't get lost. Then verify land ownership and any permit or environmental restrictions. Make sure you have legal access and respect private property. If you run into unclear imagery or ambiguous features, cross-check higher resolution scenes, local geological maps, or aerial photos. This often resolves false positives. If still stuck, return to Google Earth and refine elevation and seasonal layers to improve confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.